Hello guys, well welcome back to the Latin Cyber. This video is about reconnaissance, so that's gonna be active reconnaissance. Remember, my previous video was about passive reconnaissance, so this one is about active reconnaissance. And remember, this video is about education purposes. So we're gonna work with a command fear. Let's see if we have it installed. Fear that minus herb to see how that work. See, wait for the response. So here I'm gonna explain how you can use it. Let's go fear minus domain. Let's see. Oh, speed down or G. Let's go. See what we can find. So it's running. Just let it run to see what we can find. So we found email subdomain. So we look like we found some subdomain. We we can go ahead and try to first we're gonna just let's go again for subdomain www to see what we can gather for that too. So my bad guy, I forgot to put minus subdomain minus. Yes, domain B. I just I need to add the S here. Yes. So we actually we didn't find too much information about that too. But let's do with Sonar Transfer. Sonar Transfer Sapphire. Some transfers dash me. See what we can gather from this website. So that's all the information that we gather from Sonar Transfers. Let me move it up here. And so, wow, this is a lot that you have, that you can use again to the company itself. But if you're doing penetration testing, you can add all the information. So, like doing documentation, but first let's add just a subdomain that one minus subdomain. Don't forget, we don't forget this time out the S, and I said www admin email. So, and this, those information. So here we're gonna have subdomain and domain name, so that we can use and use the documentation and then go deeply. So you can as well all the reconnaissance information if you want, and you can add it. For example, let me add to I'm gonna make a file some transfer say info you know the and so now the information is gonna go up to the file, like that we can save it for documentation. Our founder. So we click enter now. So we say cap. What was it? Some info info the Steve. So it's some we see. Now yes. We okay. We spell it around. So we say again. What was the name? Some info. TST. Let's see. Now I just have to like cat guys. I don't know what's wrong today. Now yes. So you see, it is playing all the information that was saved in that file. But if you don't want, if you wanna read it, like you can say Python and you say head command. That's gonna display the first 10 line of the command. So like you see, it's gonna be easy. Just you click enter to get out, and then if you wanna see the last, you can see the last. You can see tail, which display the last part of the info. You see, it's playing the last from the info, like you see here and here, and so and and now just and so we carry on. Now we're gonna use that's one in neck cut not be let's see if I don't have it. So just we if you don't have it, just recruit the name and you say yes and your password. That's automatically gonna install the app. Um, and guys, that app is for brute force domain. That one here, Nappy. That's it really good. You're gonna see how we're gonna use it now. So it's going to install. So we are 89 now. Um, let it install to see. So now that it is installed, we're gonna again the name and we should say Nappy to use it. So here explain how to use. So you can use as well what S and not be. So okay, this is a Python 3 tool designed to enumerate a subdomain in the target domain. And just we're gonna use we have to remind a D and the domain is gonna be some transfer to release and family that. And so let's see what we can gather from here. Oh my god, we got a lot 10. So just on the 30. So we got a lot of things. Also the um so we have to uh not yes what we can gather will not be. So we didn't gather too much info but sometimes it's just like that. And as well we can use something we call search exploit. So that's is like if you find some exploits about a target, you can, for example, like let me go guy like a header. What was his name? Like your TV bleed. So for example, we're going for that exploit here. It say mama this discovery. You know, ESL or TLS version. So we have a DLT. So it's good. We want to use Nmap. So let's do some Nmap to you see how the word that supports scanning. I know we're using a website that's not, but we can. But for now, let me show you how to run a scan for that website. Let's see up that or G. That's it running. So it's running now. Let it run. So here on the Nmap, so can scans or he's tell you what they open. So we have cloud first HTTP browser. So they have like port HTTP open, port for 43, port 8080, port for 843, and so on. So, but later on, we're gonna do a video just for Nmap. So now let's use Nito dash s minus hub to see how we can use it. So let me pull it a little up. Another way we can use Nito. So but just when I say Nito, my name is yeah, or WASP or G. See what we can information gather from there. We start so far. We got port 80 open, so we had the IP address, so and soon as well multiple founders, so IPv4, IPv4 study, and look like it could be IPv6. But later on, so we can see our founder what we found. So so unknown header process stat to a cloud for proxy error. So not too much on that side. So we control C to cancel that. Control C. Let's do some transfers to see if we can find something different. So we start on one. So not too much about either. So let's run it again different way. Let's see if it's the H HTTP HTTPS dash put it like a URL some transfer dash me let's say port. We can say yeah. Let me do it like that. People are more easy to understand if it works. So arrow. So we can look the arrow. See if it just we did like that. Okay, the name some. So the guy's guy is the name here. Yes. Nothing yet. We didn't find anything. So so for this error, so we haven't found anything. So which is good. So that's another way that we can use using it to using. We didn't find anything with that. So um, with this way, so that way is already. So that this is gonna be that's gonna be that's it for today. So remember, so we making those videos just education purposes. So we show you the basis of reconnaissance. So later on, we're gonna do a video for Nita and Nmap, which that too is very important, you know. So and remember, guys, if you like the video, give it subscribe and like. So and remember to share with others. So I hope to see you in the next video.